my name is Suhaila Ali. Welcome to Capital International School. We're here to present to you the M1 Abrams. Now, what makes a robot a robot? There are four factors. The first factor would be a source of energy. In our case, we are using a rechargeable battery that will last us a long time. The second factor would be a way for our robot to move. We are using the DC motor. For a third factor, we need a way to control the robot, a brain for it. So we're using Arduino, an easy-to-use hardware/software. For the last factor, sensitivity, we're using a metal detector sensor to detect metals.
Hi, my name is Riyam Adham and I'm part of the team. I'm responsible for the battery and the metal detector part. Firstly, batteries in general are to provide the project with power. In our case, we used a lead-acid battery. It's 12 voltage, 12 ampere hour, and 144 watt hour. The battery is connected to two main targets, the Arduino and the motor drivers to provide them with energy directly. We choose this battery for three reasons. One, its availability. Two, its heavy weight to reduce any reactions. And three, its cheap price. Then I'll move on to the metal detectors. Metal detectors in general are to sense any metals. Metals in usual have a sort of magnetic field around them. When a metal is sensed, a current generates in the transmitter, and then that alerts the siren and the alarm light.
My name is Mahmoud Alwan. Today I'll be talking about the motor. It has 5,000 RPM and we connected this gearbox so it can reduce the RPM and higher the torque. And how do we control the motor? By this driver. It has input and output ports. The input gets the speed and the direction from the Arduino, and the output, the positive and negative ports are connected to the battery, and the A and B ports are connected to the motor.
Hello, my name is Malak Al-Musallami and I'm working on the mechanical design of the robot. So this is what the mechanical design consists of. So first thing is that we have the chassis. The chassis consists a double layer of 6mm wood. It's double layered so that it would handle the vibrations of the bumpy environment and it would carry the robot's load. Then we have the motor. The motor, it is attached on the chassis through two wooden plates. One that is attached on one side of the motor and another wooden plate shaped like an arc so that it would hold the motor from the other side. All of this is attached on the chassis. Then we have the body of the robot. It is shaped like a tank and they're all secured through white glue. Moving on, we have the landmine mechanism, and it has two important motors. We have the servo motor at the bottom, and then we have the DC motor. The servo motor, it controls the movement of the mechanism, and it would move from 0 till 180 degrees. And then moving on, we have the DC motor, which controls the movement of the magnet, whether it could move up or down. And it includes three important pulleys. We have two support pulleys at the front, which hold the wire for the magnet, and another support pulley, which holds the DC motor. And then the most important thing in the mechanism, it is the tapered bearing. The bearing, it actually reduces the friction and it holds the weight of the arm so that it would not fall on the servo motor. And
Now that we've talked about the battery, motor, and sensor, we're going to talk about the control. What do we use to control the M1 Abrams? We use the Arduino, an easy-to-use hardware/software. Now, why did we use the Arduino and not any other board? There's two main reasons why we chose the Arduino. The first reason would be its simplicity. It has an easy design to understand and learn in a quick period of time. The second reason would be its price. It has a low price while having all the advantages any other board would have.
My name is Hassan Rami. Now we're going to talk about the control. First, we use the joystick to attaching it to the Arduino to control the four motors and the magnet. The joystick sends signal through the RF transmitter, and the robot receives it through the RF receiver connected to the Arduino to control the four wheels, the magnet. If the metal detector or the coil detected in metal, it will send the data to the transistor and it will ring the siren and the alarm.